Hi, today I'm going to go over a easy way to retarget your UE4 character if you get one off the marketplace with a UE4 asset. Sometimes they don't seem to work correctly, but I found a pretty easy way and quick way to get them retargeted. So right now I just have a blank third person game open up. So we're going to add I'm just going to add an animation pack as well as a model with the UE4 skeleton. We're just going to add this to our project. Give that a second to be added. And then I'm just going to add this one. I just got this one, so I'll use this one. We're just going to add that. Don't mind all those projects in there. A lot of different things I'm messing with and trying out, so I got a lot of projects. Most likely you probably do too if you've been spending any time in Unreal. Alright, so those should be added. We got our model. That's the blueprint that comes with the model. We're not going to use that. We're going to use the third person character blueprint. If that's going to open up. That took a lot of extra time for some reason. Alright, so there's already an animation blueprint stuff set up for base animations that come with this model. I believe. Okay, so we got our skeleton here. So what we're going to want to do first is create IK retargeters. The easiest way to do that is just go into our UE4 mannequin rigs, and we're going to duplicate this IK rig for the UE4 skeleton. And we're going to name this one IK Ninja, since that's what I'm using. You can name it to whatever you want to name it to. Open that up, and we're just going to go over here in the preview mesh. We're going to change this preview mesh to our Samurai Ninja. Go ahead and show the bones, make sure all these are good. So all the bones are set up, all the IK is the same because it's basically just replacing the IK from the UE4 mannequin, and we're just going to save that. Now we have an IK rig set up for our new model. That easy. And then we're going to need to set up one also from our animation pack, because usually the animation pack comes with its own model. This one, I know I need to use this model here. Okay, so we're going to go back into our UE4. We're going to duplicate the IK UE4 mannequin rig again. And we'll call this one IK Katana, because that's the name of the pack where that's the two powerful swords pack, by the way. It's the one that I'm using, and then the ninjas, just pretty much you type in ninja in the search and you can find that. It's a pretty decently priced model. The animation pack's decent. It's got good animations, but there are some things about it I don't like. But you know, that it is what it is. Not really here to discuss all that. So now we need to. Yeah, I'm jumping all over the place here, guys. I'm sorry. We we need to change the preview mesh of this IK model as well. Do the one for our animation pack. The reason we're doing that is because we're going to retarget the animation pack skeleton to our actual ninja model. So we're going to want, I always use this one. For some reason, the other one doesn't always work right, but the UE5 to UE4 one seems to work right. So you're just going to duplicate that, and then I'm going to call that Ninja Katana. I can type right. Katana. Put retarget at the beginning. RTG Ninja Katana. We're going to open that up, and we're just going to change these. So we'll go to our IK retargeter. That's going to be our source because that's our animation pack skeleton is the IK Katana. So the second one that we retargeted will be our source. And then the next one will be our ninja. Pretty simple. Now if we look, they're going to be pretty much perfectly retargeted. Let's go ahead and get rid of the bones. Go to selected only. I'm going to decrease the amount of my zoom. If you hold down your right mouse button and do your scroll wheel back, it will actually decrease the amount of your zoom. So if you look at the hands, the hands are in the same position. The feet are in the same position. Try this out. Let's go with the walk. And this is part of the reason why I just things about this pack doesn't sit right with me the way it was put together. It's hard to even find what you're looking for most of the time. Walk A. So in this walk, the A's are the unequipped and the B's are the equipped. Walk. Might be easier for you to find yours. Front. We'll just do the matches up perfectly. So yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do. So now your animations are set up for this. You're ready to go to set your blueprint up and start putting your animations in. Hope this helps you out. I know when I first started, root motion works pretty good. All matches up correctly. When I first started out, retargeting was one of the biggest pains for me to get figured out. And this is something that I just recently found doing it this way. So I hope this tutorial helps you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Really helps. I'll see you in the next one.